Hello guys, I'm gonna guide you how to practice topic number 8. Talk about your last birthday party. Talk about your last birthday party. Now listen and repeat after me. Invite, invited. Get, got, get, got. Nice gift, nice gift, gift. Prepare, prepared, prepared. Enjoy, enjoyed, enjoyed. Cut the cake, cut the cake. Blow, blew out, blew out. Make, made, made. Eat, ate, ate. Sing, sang, sing, sang. Dance, dance, danced, danced. Start, started, start, started. End, ended, end, ended. Hi everyone, my name is Nam. I am 9 years old. Now, I would like to talk about my last birthday party. My birthday is on the 20th of September. It was on Sunday last year. I invited many of my classmates to my birthday party. I was so happy because I got many nice gifts from my parents and friends. My mom prepared a big nice cake, lots of nice food and drink for me. My classmates and I enjoyed my birthday party very much. Before cutting the cake, I blew out the candles and made a wish. Then we ate the cake and candies. We sang and danced happily. My party started at 7 and ended at 9 o'clock p.m. That's my sharing about my last birthday. Thank you for listening.